Skywater, Skywater, Skywater! When it stop?
Oh, not for a while, Petrie. The days of rising waters have just started.
Me need me snuggling stick.
Now, don't worry, kids. We'll be safe here in our nest.
Kids, fly! Now!
Fly where? Our home.
Is he calling you little again?
Yeah, and he doesn't believe our friends will rescue us.
But they are our friends. Is that not what friends do?
I guess not in the mysterious beyond. I am not
Red Claw, closer! Screech, closer! Fun, closer!
Red Claw!
Hurry! Let's go!
Oh, I am sorry you are in pain. But I am not sorry you cannot reach us and then eat us. No, no, no.
He said I'm too little, and he's right. If he gets loose, I'm too little to protect us. Or help us get out of here. I'm too little to do anything.
You are sad about being little, but that is only on the outside. Today, you've been big enough on the inside to make me feel safe. You have, you have.
Hey! Sharptooth, tell Red Claw to leave because a big and angry herd is on its way. Okay.
That's why Petrie no like adventures. Wish me not go adventuring, adventuring, adventuring. Me not go adventuring, me not be here right now.
Petrie, please, you must be brave while we still have our friends to save.
You know they do the same for you.
Me guess that true.
Now follow me, I think I know another way that we can go to get where we have got to be. We have to go adventuring when our good friends need rescuing. We'll do it even if we don't know how. We're gonna go adventuring right now.
Me got to go adventuring now. Look, tangled trees lead us back to cliffs.
Nice work, Ruby. Don't thank me yet. We still have to save Ducky and Chomper. They're gone.
I thought Red Claw and Thud had us for sure. Me too.
They might not see me. I am small. That's Ducky. She did it.
Sharp teeth all confused.
Now's our chance.
Hauga! Ducky, your big roars are scaring the sharp teeth. I may be little, but I can pretend big.